Hello, it's Ramounskee and welcome back to another tutorial. So if you have a DJI Action 3 and this happens, I'm trying to edit my vlogs from my graduation and this happens. If I drag it into Premiere, it says the importer reported a generic error. So what you need to do here is drag it outside the folder that you had it in. There we go. And then you drag it again into Premiere. That's the quick fix. There we go. It plays really fine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick tutorial. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. There are two videos here. It might be a Resident Evil 4 gameplay. It might be another tutorial. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.